Hi, what's up? How is it going? Today's video we are going to be looking at how to create a church brochure in CorelDraw 2021. Without further ado, let's step into it. So this is the picture that we are going to be using. So right now let's go over and create an object on top of this object, just like so. Then you go over to your shape tool. So just drag the tool inward, just like so, to give it a round shape. Then you go over and select this object right here. Then you locate object, then you locate Powerclip, place inside frame, select the frame, automatically snap into the object. So hold out key on keyboard, then you select the image, then you pull it down to adjust that. So the next step right now is to go over and Powerclip this image into that object. Locate Powerclip, that's place inside frame, select the frame, automatically snap into that object. Hold out key, then select the object, release your out key, then you pull that up a little bit, just like so. Good. So after that, what we're going to do is to bring in the church name, which is this. Let's make a copy of that, then let's center it within the object. Good. So right now the next step is to bring in this what's it called, the crest. So right now what we're gonna do is to bring in information for the church. Let's change it to white. So let's go over and change the font to Trajan. So hit Ctrl K on your beacon, your keyboard, to break that text into pieces. Then you adjust the name of the church, reduce that a little bit, then you center it within 50th anniversary, center it within 50th anniversary, then adjust it a little bit downward, make it bigger, position that to the bottom, just like so. So right now the next step is to just enter from here, then hit Ctrl K on your keyboard. So let's change this upper one to Hello Paris. So after that, let's make it bolder. Then locate F3, click on the F3 on your phone, on your laptop. F3, a dialog box pops up, then you change thickness of the outline to 2. Then you go over to your object, locate convert outline to object, automatically converted. Then you select the 2 objects, wet it all up, then you drag this gold color on top of the color core, release your mouse key, then you locate from the option locate copy all properties, automatically it applies to that. So our next step right now is to make this a little bit bigger, just like so, center it within each other. So let's go over to right, so fourth, let's write fourth colloquial, blah blah blah, whatever. So let's change the type to Times Roman. So let's change it to lowercase. Then you go over and zoom it all up. So all you needed to do right now is to go over and hit Ctrl K to break text into pieces. So after that, you just drag this gold object on top of the 4, release your mouse key, then you locate copy all properties, automatically changes. So likewise this, then you go ahead and bolden the 4 up, make it bigger, just like so, position it so well, then you position the TH at the top of the 4, just like so. Good. So right now what we needed to do is to just group that, then you move it closer to this color column, then you center it within the object. So after that, let's type presents. So let's type presents fourth colloquium, blah blah blah, and all of that. So go over to your shape tool, increase that, create the tracking, then you center it within the object. So our next step right now is to bring in this pattern right here. So let's just, the date, put the date right here. All we're gonna do now is to type 21st and the first, Sunday 21st January 2023. Good. So reduce that a little bit, then you go over to hit Ctrl K to break that into pieces. Then you make the 21st a little bit bigger. Good. So right now let's adjust the whole thing, center it within each other, then position it so well, just like so. Reduce that a little bit, group it all up, center it within each other, group it all up, zoom down. So let's arrange the speaker's name. So right now what we're going to do right now is to go over and change this to Naija, then locate your shape tool, reduce the tracking just like so. Then you go over, hit Ctrl K and go over to break text into pieces, pull this up a little bit, the heading, then change to Hello Paris. You can decide to use any font that you prefer, but as per this project we are using this. So we change the increase tracking of the keynote speaker, then you center it within the object. So let's make the title of the speaker a little bit smaller, likewise this. So position that so well, position this as well properly, then you center everything within the object. Good. Can you see that? So right now let's make a copy of this background. Punch your mouse to the edge of it, then you hold Ctrl key and keyboard, slide to the other side. When you get to that side, right click, automatically copy paste, then you type, so let's type appreciation right here. Appreciation. That's where the appreciation is going. So let's change the color to gold, then you center it within the object. Good. So right now here is the outcome of what you created so far. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the button below, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification button in case I have something coming up next that you definitely gonna be prompted that something has been dropped in my channel. And don't forget to give this video a like so that other people can benefit from what I'm sharing right now. See you in the next video. Bye for now.